up, guys? So I haven't seen you in a while, but yeah, I've just been taking care of a lot of the facilities. So as you can see where I'm standing right here, probably haven't seen this before because, well, I built it like 4 days ago. And I'm also building a fence in the backyard there to separate the dog section from the car section so I don't have a wall of tires. Alright, so now that you guys have seen the new fence, now I can show you what I've been up to when it comes to the vehicles. Because even though I haven't been doing a lot, I still have been doing some stuff. So let me show you. So you guys already know that the JZX has to get arches welded onto here, and that they were supplied with the car when I got them. Apparently these are LS 400 arches, that's what I was told, and I started to modify them. Alright, so first things first, I got a brand new Miller-Matic 211 MIG welder. As you guys know, a lot of the stuff that I'm doing here is going to end up being hinged on fabrication. And I pride myself on being the kind of person who's willing to take on everything and anything as long as, you know, I can afford to get the tools needed to try to do such things. So now that I have this MIG welder, once I get gas, I can go ahead and start trying to, you know, figure out how to use it. So you guys already know that I have to weld on fender arches, which is part of the reason I got the Miller-Matic. I'm tired of trying to find somebody who wants to help me because, well, people are busy and, you know, most people don't want to help outside of their facilities, and it's an inconvenience to drag a welder and a tank and all those things over to somebody else's house and work outside of your element. So I understand that. So I went ahead and ordered the welder, and I'm working on getting the arches figured out. So I took the driver's side arch and I fitted it up, and I drew the line where the door goes under, and I'll show you how it fits in there. So it's not exactly in there the way it's supposed to be. I think it's supposed to turn a little bit, but when it is, everything lines up good. And then I went ahead and cut the slits right here instead of cutting off the piece, so I could bend in these slits, right, and bridge the gap between the arch and, you know, right here on the car. So now when it gets done, I can actually weld it to the chassis itself, fill the gaps between all the slits, and then bondo it in, and it'll be a lot cleaner than if I had just cut all these slits out and then was trying to figure out a way to fill the gap between the two. went ahead and sanded this one down, and then I went in and filled in the spots again where I need to level it out, but so far it's looking pretty good. Gonna get this all sanded down and probably prime it tomorrow, but the bugs are attacking. All right, well, it's dark out now, but I got a whole bunch of stuff done, so let me show it to you guys real quick. So here's the skirts, got those all fixed and primed. Come over here, got the front bumper, got that all fixed and primed. Then we got the back bumper here, that's already been wet sanded. I was gonna prime it, but there wasn't enough primer to do it, so I just did the skirts, touched up the inside part, touched up the bottom, and tomorrow I'm gonna go ahead and take care of some more of the body work on that, take care of the body work on the front bumper and the skirts,